Meaning of low-tech.
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 Low-tech. Low-tech, short for low technology, refers to a type of technology that is simple, basic, or more primitive in comparison to modern, high-tech technology. It typically involves the use of mechanical or non-digital devices and techniques. This term is often used in contrast with high-tech, which refers to advanced, highly automated or computerized technology. Low-tech solutions may be favored in situations where cost, simplicity, or reliability are more important than cutting-edge features.